Your favorite bearded dragon is back with yet another crypto review. My goal in this video is to simply outline my thoughts, projections, timelines, and most importantly, expectations regarding the crypto markets. You ready to make a lot of money? Cool. Let's dive in. I would be a little remiss if I didn't at least say, I told you. If my video from back on September 6th helped you save, I don't know, at least $10, then please like our channel and subscribe to Real Life Trading. Our mission is, of course, to enrich lives. So if we're looking back at my analysis that I performed on that video, our thought process so far is working out pretty closely. This was kind of the analysis and the drawing that we had from, again, back on the 6th of September. Right now it's the 20th of September. I do expect Ethereum to go a little bit lower, again, compared to that 2017 crash. Now, this is just a tad head and shoulder-ish, which is a little concerning. This is a very, very clean neckline. We broke it strongly today. So expecting, again, a slight move up, as you can see, then probably one more thrust down, which, yes, this thrust could be pretty significant. Probably all the way down to 2,400 at worst case scenario. Make sure you have some dry powder ready just in case. I am saying this could get worse. I'm expecting it. I'm planning for it. I'm not saying it has to, but I just want you all to know, have some dry powder ready because it could go lower and most likely will. That's both Ethereum and Bitcoin. One of the big indications I see on Bitcoin is actually we have a lower high. High, lower high, lower high, and lower high. That tells me that we're going to chop around longer than most people want. We have a really clean resistance support level here that we're probably going to be breaking through. And most of September, most of October is going to be choppy, ugly, and kind of weird. I don't know what news story might have to come out for us to really start surging, but my expectation is it will be towards the end of October, early November, that we can start getting some more bullishness. Bitcoin, again, not my main holding any longer. That would be Ethereum, my number one holding. But looking at Bitcoin, it's obviously the granddaddy, it's obviously the leader. It needs to go up for everything else to go up. But if I'm looking at this, I think we're going to start forming a little bit bigger of a triangle, and that triangle will kind of chop some people to shreds, bore some people out of this market, and create some new bag holders as we do grind for a while and then eventually, in my opinion, go higher. One of my bigger holdings as of now is SOL-USD, getting filled on some pretty significant dip buying opportunities. Right now, SOL, from the highs at least, is down from 215. It's down about 40%, right around there. So I really like that number. Moving averages still look bullish. This trend is extremely strong. Got some limit buys at the 50 EMA. Buy low, sell high. Good looking trend, good looking chart. I'm a fan. Definitely want to go higher, obviously, but this seems to me like a wave 4 pullback of some kind. Some kind of wave 4 pullback. Shout outs to all my Childress fans out there. Anyway, on SOL-USD, the number one coins you want to be focusing on are the ones that did actually make higher highs on the pullback that the other cryptos got in early September. Another example would be Cardano. So Cardano did make some new highs September 2nd. We're making higher highs relative to the big drop that we had back in May, right? Ethereum, Bitcoin haven't done that yet. That is a strong signal in my opinion. So again, buy some dips. You do want to kind of pyramid into this market a little bit. If you're like, what the heck is a pyramid? Go to your YouTube browser, type in position trading, followed by the term real life trading. I'll make sure to link that video. But this is a great explanation of how to pyramid into positions. And of course, if you want more information on how to do it specifically with cryptocurrencies, feel free to pop over to Real Life Trading DADCAM and click on online courses and click on your cryptocurrencies course. I do have a program. It's very reasonably priced, and I do think that everyone who takes this program will be better crypto traders and have a much more reliable and consistent stream of income than just being really weird and flippant with their trading. So back over to Cardano. $1.80 is reasonable. The 100 simple moving average is $1.81. I think we could get there. I think we will get there in just a matter of time. Worst case, we go back to $1. That's absolute worst case scenario. I don't think that happens. I think the lowest we go is probably $1.36. Would I be surprised if I see $1? No. Everything and anything is possible in crypto. I think we all know that. But buy the dip is still here. Just do it smart. Do it wise, do it small size, don't go all in. Make sure you know your risk parameters and you're really looking at some charts. Getting filled on some algo, ALGO-USD on Coinbase. Beautiful breakout, nice retest, right? Buy the dip. This was making new highs, which is strong. I like that. Any of the coins that are making new highs relative to that May drop that occurred, buy those pullbacks. Those are stronger coins. Those are the ones that you want to be focused on, if you have the ability to. Same thing with Luna Dollar, right? You want to be in these that have been making new highs. So Atom, huge fan of. Just a megalithic tweezer top bearish engulfing candle, so that's a little bit weak for sure. Look to start pyramiding into this one around 25. It could easily pull back more, and it really should, and it can, and it probably will. Same thing with DOT, another new all-time high on DOT USD. But again, this one, I'm looking for some lower moves, likely a little bit of a pullback into here, some chop, and then one more thrust, again, probably later in the month. And it can get a little gnarly, but again, buy the dip. It's just my opinion. I'm not saying it has to happen that way, but I think there's gonna be some great opportunities, but there's gonna be some more bears to follow before we're done, I think. And I'm planning for that. I'm ready for that. Be patient, know your plan, know your time frame, know your risk, and trade your plan, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions or need anything from me, post those comments in the comment section below. You know how YouTube works, and I look at every single comment. I mean, I'm a full-time trader. What else do I have to do anyway? So make sure you throw some comments my way, throw me some love, hit that like button. Let me know how I can enrich and impact your life, and let me know what questions you have so I can assist you on your crypto journey. Thank you so much for being here, ladies and gentlemen, and until next time, love life, live life, and trade. Bye.